In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table in Google Sheets for teachers and students. Navigating through spreadsheets might seem tricky initially, but don't worry. I'm here to make it simple and efficient for you. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. If you haven't used Google Sheets before, it's a web-based application that you can access through your Google account. Simply head over to the Google Sheets website and either create a new sheet or open an existing one that contains the data you want to organize into a table. Once you have your sheet open, the first step is to highlight all the data you need. This involves clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells that contain the information you want to include in your table. Make sure you're selecting all the relevant columns and rows. This is important for ensuring that your table accurately reflects the data you're working with. Next, take a look at the toolbar at the top of your Google Sheet. Click on Format. This tool offers a range of options for modifying the appearance of your sheet, but right now, we're focusing on creating a table. After clicking Format, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Go ahead and look for an option that says Convert to Table. Select this, and your data will be instantly transformed into a neatly organized table format. This function applies predefined formatting to your data, making it much easier to read and interpret at a glance. Tables are especially useful for teachers and students. You can quickly see patterns, make comparisons, and manage information effectively. Now that you have your table set up, let's talk about a few additional tips to enhance your table's usability and appearance. You might want to consider adjusting the column widths to ensure all your data is visible. Simply position your cursor between the column headers until it turns into a double-headed arrow, then click and drag to resize. Additionally, adding a header row can significantly improve clarity, especially for those reading the table. To do this, select the top row, click on Format, and choose Text, then Bold. This gives your header row a distinct look, making it stand out from the rest of your data. Tables in Google Sheets are an excellent way to keep track of academic scores, attendance, or any set of data that requires organization. Teachers can instantly get insights into class performance, while students can efficiently manage assignments or project data. With these tools and steps, your experience working with Google Sheets will be smooth and rewarding. That's all there is to it. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this tutorial helps you feel more confident using Google Sheets to create tables. If you found this video useful, feel free to share it with fellow teachers or students. Until next time, happy organizing.